Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to show you how I created this look on my nails on overgrown acrylic nails. Usually I like to do this in between my visits to the nail salon because they are kind of pricey, and I like to kind of have maximum usage out of my acrylic nails. And really all this is the gel nail polish. A quick disclaimer, I am not a professional. This is just how I do my nails at home. So first I start off by filing my nail down with a nail file. I try to get as thin as possible because this gel polish when cured does come out quite thick. So once I file it to the size, which I done earlier, that's what it comes out to looking like. Then I'm taking some rubbing alcohol and rubbing my nails to clear all the dust and oils from my fingernail. I also don't like to use lotion when doing this because my hands tend to get a bit oily with all the lotion. Now taking some pH bond, I apply this all over my nail and the acrylic nail as well. Now I like to normally do this all at once, but I thought of the video after I had filed and done everything. So here I have the Candy Lover LED UV base and top coat that I got from Amazon. These were about $7 for the set, and I absolutely love them. It's so easy because once it's all said and done, I don't have to wipe any sticky residue. So the first things first is whenever everything's all ready to be set, I apply the base coat on my nail. I just do one coat. I make sure to apply it evenly and not get it on my skin, as when drying this can get stuck to my skin, and I really don't like that feeling. Now what I'm going to do here is take my UV light that I've had for quite a while, and I'm going to cure my nails for about 60 seconds. I don't know the wattage on my light, but I know that this is what's best for me. Depending on the wattage of the lamps, they can be 30 seconds to 90 seconds. I personally love this lamp because they have little creases for the fingers, and I can take it with me if I need to go do something. Now I'm using here the ASP gel polish. I'm assuming it really doesn't matter what brand I use for this, but I got this one at Sally's for about, I don't know if it was like $9 to $12 or so, but I purchased some on Amazon as well that I think are pretty good. But anyway, I'm applying a top coat here. Well, it's actually not a top coat, but I'm applying a layer of this gel nail polish onto my nail. I can cure this one and do another set, but I normally just like to keep it as thin as possible, so I just apply a fair share of glitter or polish to this, and I sort it out according to my liking. So again, I like doing all my nails at once, and I thought of the video last minute, so I didn't finish one nail on purpose to show you guys, but pretty much this is what I did for all of my nails. And when I do them all at once, I have to be careful not to move my hands around because the gel will drip. So whenever this is all said and done and it's ready to cure, I let it sit in the UV lamp for about another 60 seconds. And again, with the glitter, I'm just putting it evenly according to my liking. I closed the gel because I don't want it to dry out, and once it looks good, then I put it into the lamp again for another 60 seconds, and I just let it sit there. Please excuse the background noise. I'm currently sitting in a parking lot outside my work while I'm recording the voiceover for this. Okay, so I'm letting it cure for 60 seconds, and pretty much once it's cured, then I am ready to put on the top coat. Again, I'm using the Candy Lover top coat, and I love this because I don't have to clear or wipe off any tacky residue with rubbing alcohol. and it just makes it a lot easier. So before I open any of these gel polishes, I do like to shake them up a bit just to make sure that if there's anything inside that I need to kind of take the bubbles out, or if the glitter's clustered together, it just helps it even out. So again, I'm very careful when placing the polish on top of the nail because I don't want it on my skin. Once it's all said and done, I go ahead and put it under the lamp for another 60 seconds. Again, I do all fingers at once. It makes it a lot easier. It's much quicker, and I can hold the lamp much better. But everybody is different, and this is just how I do it. So now, using my Gelish Mini Nourisher, I put this oil around my cuticles for the dryness there, and to moisturize or nourish my cuticles, and then I rub it all over my cuticles and my nail, and it kind of gives it that shiny effect as well. Good thing about curing is that once it's cured, and I am good to go. I'm sorry I didn't show y'all how I file my nail down. That may be for another video. My acrylic is pretty grown out, and again, I didn't think of this video till after the fact, but yeah, so this is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Please like this video if you'd like to see more videos of me doing my nails. Thanks for watching.